Now, Akwaba, wafre me, Ajua searching, Mesrel, now was subscribe to my channel. Mia notification bell no so for more news. Ebusiafo, Omanhene ya Edubuache journalist Awodini Juma e was Sompa FM and I pay a one morning show so. Parents ni be are sending a message. Aomo etrese. Schools ni be omomba no ekono. Ejuamu books. Cardigan. Chese enyamu omo akeka ne nyensem keto akra. Yenti ne yensansombra.
RCC sense.
Obi a send him a dear.
Okay.
Now I'll say textbooks. Yes, in Kuala 666. Tracksuit 250 Ghana. Eziad book 15. House dress 150. Cardigan 170. Tablet 80. One farmer. The textbooks now.
Oh, you are.
I copies a mao muntina. No, yes, 666.
Oh, you are.
A two cabo manager say almost 1,300.
Oh, you
and
are.
I'm calling but you'll wrap it up, mammy. Now,
Ebusiafo, say ina yati yasu. Ghana for our funibi. And I end day a bind sign no. Omo SNA journalist for messages upon messages. Say school sinibi. A demand in Yama if you're more. So I may provide a more mumba. So who Ghana for you to buy so na me patch that say Nyamen so yakume na ya anu entiamo. Endra obi sende dewro awoye adwuma ewo untumi TV message say school be edge almost 1,000 something for feeding fee. And then so obi a send your Omanhene so omo di books na de ade. We are not saying say end this normal about power no. And yo, and I say yemusu. We are not saying anything like that. Because Ghana hano a NPP and a NDC. Say NDC and by NPP never. But for how long? And you be changing a bind for every 8 years. Ewa bra policies be a bind bia ede guakwema ebuano. A bind fufro edine niswadi hu beba na sa policies na say. For how long? Ghana for no bufu no mokoto aba no. Are they trying to tell me say NDC for your saints? I am shocked. How are all of a sudden NDC are buying no abeye saints ewo Ghana hano. I am shocked. How are all of a sudden His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ababeye Savior abeye Jesus Christ saints wabeye to say as a krada our babe de Ghana. I am even shocked. To West End say His Excellency the former president Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo ne statue is nipa da senia omu da sume so dwen akwakobubu statue no e de agu fame. You are claiming say baby a statue ni se no enye because e kwan ni nye secondary ho no me no abofre bi ni ho a o enjoy free SHS sa police na Nana Addo de buy abofre bi ni ho a o enjoy bi wo secondary ho no. Ghanaians, we are ungrateful. We are very ungrateful. Shakoya His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo be yi wo Ghana hano. Infrastructures upon infrastructures. We still stand by our words. No precedent in the history of this country. Our projects esin Nana Addo. No matter omo frauds, no matter the NPP are buying here. Now young fanton Ghana parents, most young mundane. Most send the messages are journalists for us or Montana TV so and come for what reason? Nothing is going to change. It is going to remain the same. Into the boa na semi miti na say kwa de ni bi we fa fon afra yen say wo gye books and ka ba betine fi because adwene da yen tim no enye papa. And these teachers na headmasters na headmistress na whatever they call themselves no are greedy. Are they not Ghanaians? They are Ghanaians. They are very greedy. Because our policy nearby no e be cut it down and maybe the main reason why I think say nipa be brom institutions to abati NPP aban is because of your friend saying policies are Dr. Baumianko they by e be cut corruption so Ghanaians, we are corrupt. Not the politicians alone. Every institution in this country is corrupt. From top to down. Just obia ya corrupt wo man mu. Adwene nya papa. Ya adwene no eye black na da yentri ma nya papa. Eye papa nke ba ne send na school. Wo your headmaster, wo your headmistress. Whatever post you have in that school no. Abai be the policy aba ebo enhiafo. O se o selfish interest wo nya bibi emfemi no. Policy ni ngu. Now NPP call NDC aba because we cannot blame NDC. And you know the policy ni buy. We cannot blame them. And me, Adjoa, I will never blame His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. So on to a free SHN. So why will I blame him? On the policy ni buy or for policy number? Maybe he has no idea about it. He has no idea how to go about it because he has his plans. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, do your thing. Do what you think is a benefit to Ghana for. Do the reason why into Ghana for to Abamao because when you were campaigning, you didn't much emphasize on free SHS. No, just leave them alone. Let them buy their books. You are the same people complaining say free SHS Nankasano. Already we are buying our books. We are feeding our children. So what is so special about the free SHS? You are ungrateful. I beg you for. Mama, for being food na papa for being for Mugugana ha or my way and koso. And this country, we are going to remain the same till thy kingdom come. I am telling you, because this is the truth. Nothing but the truth. Nothing but the truth. His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, he was providing books, food. The only thing His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo couldn't provide was provisions. And Ghanaians don't understand. So, oh, my books. Oh, mano. Mattresses all under so. ACC lab, your friend is a lab center, some of Fanny Kosian do ho. Just say everything, even ceremonial dress to cry, His Excellency and Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo was provided. The man was providing everything. Because he couldn't provide your friend is a provision for one kasawa to power Budia Bofana Baby Asintino. He was the worst president ever to exist in Ghana. Now he is gone. Most send messages in their journalists for some reading him introduction of Wapampa. So for what reason? Why books in Umbeto books? I thought cardigan, I thought t-shirts, I thought everything on the demand there, you will buy it. If you can't provide for your child, let the child come home. Manon Umbedo Koko no. And no meti hey, some of you am won krase eye fu eye niama no se munya chance etimi ekọ suku a anka bia anka niama bi wo hodo man anka bia ebia life kra anka edu baby opese oba ne be kan ho. You are ungrateful abeyifo. O send messages mo den. You are sending message for what reason? And then as some kobu na do ne start with ebugu. Jesus Christ. Ghanaians are happy. Yes, they are happy because Nana Addo eye beyifo. Nana Addo abetena Ghana so ekunye. You forget things so easy like that. 2013 ya ona me school ya. Just a flashback. 13, 14, 15, 16. Na una na council bi a wawu kra no. Sa ne ya ona da so wo mu. So the mess that NDC for ebe creating, I didn't see all of a sudden, almost a saint into NPP nko. Almost kono aba. Yenye muntri so na mo apampa so say mo say into messages na mo say what's muto books and how ba no control of him. And now uba no control of him. And now uba no hey yam pensem hu wangana ha. Whichever schools are almost send me messages, do as they are saying. And mom be sending messages there and family. Most of them provide it.